Welcome to our farmer's market. This is some pretty cool stuff. These are all carved by one of the gentlemen that lives in and around here. We'll head on to the far side of our farmer's market as well. Show you out what's going on up there. You can buy all goods, all vegetables. Look at all these hand carved items, swings in the back, and some unique vehicles as well. Come on along for a walk.
Corner!
How about this? This is pretty cool.
Oh!
Want to go fishing out on the lake in the wintertime? We take one of these. Shoot you inside here real quick. Coming around the corner, nice old station wagon. Okay, we're gonna go and shoot some video on a farmer's market on the far side.